Live text access, training for real-time intralingual subtitlers. Unit 2, linguistic competence. Element 1, functionality, accuracy, readability, and legibility. What is accuracy? Created by UAV, SSML, and SDA Munchen. The learning outcome for this video lecture is to produce accurate transcriptions in terms of spelling, grammar, and meaning. In this video lecture, we will be dealing with the following points: accuracy definition, real-time subtitling techniques, verbatim versus sensatim subtitles, and main limitations. We will finish with a summary. Accuracy. Accuracy. We will first provide a definition of accuracy. According to Carlo Eugeni, accuracy in real-time subtitling can be defined as the degree to which the subtitle conforms to a defined standard. Real-time subtitling techniques. Before entering into accuracy in more detail, it's important to understand how real-time subtitlers develop their job. There are two main techniques in real-time intralingual subtitling for the text entry. One is based on speech recognition systems, and the second is based on fast typing systems. Speech recognition systems. Professionals working with the speech recognition systems wear a headset and a microphone. They are called re-speakers. They listen to speakers and simultaneously repeat, in word by word, or reformulate what they say to a microphone connected to the software program, which automatically recognizes the re-speaker's voice and turns it into written words that appear on the screen. Fast typing systems. Professionals working with fast typing systems sometimes wear a headset, depending on the setting, and they always work on special keyboards. They are called stenographers, palantypists, or velotypists, to name some. In all cases, they listen to the speakers and simultaneously type word by word or reformulate what they say to a special keyboard based on a phonetic or syllabic system connected to a software program, which automatically turns the typed text into written words that appear on the screen. Verbatim versus sensatim. There are two main methods to subtitle a speech in real time: verbatim and sensatim. Verbatim subtitles are required in some countries, such as the US or the UK. Accuracy in verbatim means transcribing every single word, evident mistakes or features of orality included. Subtitlers deliver word-by-word transcriptions. Verbatim subtitles are mostly displayed in roll-up mode, in which the subtitle appears word by word at the bottom of the screen. Once the bottom line is full, it's pushed upwards by new words. On the other side, sensatim subtitles, also known as edited subtitles, are required in other countries, mainly European ones, such as Italy, Spain, or Germany. In this case, the subtitler is more focused on the meaning, and the original speech of the speaker is edited by omitting especially unnecessary utterances or summarizing quick utterances in order to allow the text version of the speech to flow more easily for the reader. Sensatim or edited subtitles are mostly displayed in pop-up mode, in which a block subtitle appears and disappears at once. Main limitations. Not enough time. It is important to bear in mind that there is not always enough time. Most times, real-time subtitlers fight against the clock. Time constraints will depend on the working context in which professionals carry out their jobs. For instance, the news and the parliamentary sessions are particularly fast, and professionals have to go along with speakers because form is as important as content. On the other side, real-time subtitlers working with sports programs have to describe actions shown on the screen rather than speech utterances. So there will be much more edit on sports than with news or the parliament, regardless of how fast the speaker is. Limitations. As Lambert states, all real-time intralingual subtitling techniques share the same limitations. Creating and delivering subtitles in real time for a truly live, unscripted TV program, meeting, or live event involves a degree of compromise. Perfection is not achievable almost by definition, because there is simply not enough time in which to carefully edit the text, transcribe it and correct any errors, time it to match what the speaker is saying, position it so as never to obscure interesting on-screen information, present it in a way that the viewer always has time to read it. Aim. Real-time subtitlers should be able to reproduce the source text without losing key information. Summary. As a summary, we would like to stress the following points. First, there are two main subtitling techniques in real-time subtitling: voice recognition systems and fast typing systems. Second, accuracy will depend on the subtitling method, verbatim or synthetic. Third, time constraints are always a limitation for accuracy. Exercises. The exercises for this video lecture are in the trainer's guide and the PowerPoint file.
LTA Live Text Access, Universitat Autónoma de Barcelona, SDI, Internationale Hochschule, Scuola Superiore per Mediatori Linguistici, ZDF Digital, European Federation of Hard of Hearing People FHO, Velotype, Subti Access, European Certification and Qualification Association ECQA. Co-funded by the Erasmus Plus program of the European Union. Erasmus Plus project 2018-1-DE01-KA203-004218. The information and views set on this presentation are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official opinion of the European Union. Neither the European Union institutions and bodies, nor any person acting on their behalf, may be held responsible for the use which may be made of the information contained here.